So welcome to day 2 of Demystifying Histology from the Roots. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Pat Shahani. So I have Dr. Shalom Philip with me. I would like her to explain these two sticky notes which I have in front of me. So without further delay, let's get started. Coming to question number 1, it is identify the given histological slide.
The given histological slide is that of stomach fundus, and the histology of the GIT can be studied under 4 parts, that is the mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa and serosa. The mucosa has a surface epithelium which is made up of simple columnar epithelium, and here in the surface epithelium you have gastric pits which are short. And then we have the lamina propria which has gastric glands which are elongated, and these gastric glands consist of 5 types of cells. One, you have the mucous neck cells at the neck of the mucus, and then you have the pink or eosinophilic parietal or oxyntic cells. Here you have the blue or the basophilic chief cells, and at the bottom of the gland you have the enteroendocrine cells as well as the stem cells. And then we have the third part of the mucosa, that is a muscularis mucosa, which is arranged in 2 layers, that is inner circular and outer longitudinal. And then we have the submucosa, and then we have the muscularis external layer. We have 3 layers of the muscle, that is oblique muscle, inner circular and outer longitudinal. As per the new concept, these layers of muscle may not be clearly distinguished but rather randomly arranged.
Now coming to question number 2. How can we differentiate it with stomach pylorus?
Stomach pylorus, the mucosa has the lining epithelium that is a simple columnar, and here when compared to the stomach fundus, here you have long gastric pits, and the lamina propria we have the pyloric glands which are short as well as highly coiled. And the muscularis mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa and serosa is same as that of the stomach fundus, except that in stomach pylorus the muscle layer is very thick due to the presence of pyloric sphincter. So these are the microscopic slides of the stomach fundus. As you can see, this is the mucosal layer, and here is a submucosa, and this is a muscularis externa. You can see the gastric glands in the mucosal layer. Here you can see this is the stomach pylorus. You can see the mucosal layer, and here the highly coiled pyloric glands which are mucus glands. Here you can see the short gastric pits, and here you can see the long gastric pits in the stomach pylorus.
Thank you so much, ma'am.